Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very common issue that users found in Android is Gmail sync problem. So, if you are also struggling with the same problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Gmail sync error on Android phone with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Gmail sync error mainly arises due to unstable internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then this is the reason. You can fix it by trying some basic tips like turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 2. Clear Gmail cache and data. Temporarily stored data, which is supposed to help Gmail run faster, can sometimes get corrupted and shows different errors including sync problem. So, simply clear the cache of the Gmail app to fix it. For this, you need to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Gmail. On the apps page, choose Storage, and then clear storage or clear data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Check Gmail sync settings. Although it's unlikely, it could be that the app's automatic sync functions were somehow switched off. You can check this on Android by opening the Gmail app. Then, tap on Menu, triple line, icon. Go to Settings, and toggle on Sync Gmail for each account that needs it. Solution 4. Remove your Google account and add it again. Another way that you can try is to remove your Google account from the device, which will delete all the associated app files and caches causing checking info error. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down to locate Accounts/Accounts and Sync. Tap on Google. To remove the account, click on More, and tap on Remove Account. Your Google account and all its associated file data will be deleted. Sign into your account again by tapping on Google and adding your account. Solution 5. Check the storage available for your Google account. Google includes 15 GB for free. Superficially that might sound like a lot, but the limit covers Google Drive and Google Photos too, not just Gmail. To resume sync, you'll have to delete the unnecessary files and messages, or else upgrade to a paid Google One plan. If you're already on Google One, you might have to upgrade to a more expensive tier. So, this is all about fixing Gmail sync error on Android phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.